There is one specific moment that changes everything. It happens right before you get intimate. And if you do this, he will never forget you. Most women miss this tiny window of opportunity. They focus on the act, not the connection. But psychology says something else matters more. It's not about what you wear or say. It's about how you make him feel inside. This feeling creates a permanent memory in his brain. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, you must understand the pause power. Rushing kills emotional depth instantly. When things heat up, most people speed up. But you need to do the opposite. Stop for just 3 seconds. Look him directly in the eyes. Do not speak. Do not move. Just hold his gaze with soft intent. This signals safety and deep desire. It tells him you are fully present. But here's the truth. Most people are distracted during intimacy. They think about their body or performance. This creates a barrier between you two. The pause breaks that barrier down. It forces him to connect with your soul, not just your body. This is where the magic happens. He feels seen in a rare way, and men crave being truly seen. Point 2 is the vulnerability whisper. Right before things go further, whisper one thing. It should be honest and raw. Say something like, "I feel so safe with you," or "I've been waiting for this all day." Keep it simple. Keep it real. Avoid scripted or cheesy lines. Authenticity triggers his protective instinct. It makes him feel needed and wanted. This builds an emotional anchor. Pay attention to this. Words spoken in low light stick harder. His brain links your voice to comfort. This is classic psychological conditioning. You are branding yourself in his mind. Every time he hears your voice later, he will recall that feeling of safety. It creates a loop of positive association. He will want to return to that feeling, again and again. Third, use the touch reset. Before intimacy begins, touch his face. Gently cup his cheek with your hand. Thumb stroking his jawline softly. This is a non-sexual, caring gesture. It lowers his cortisol levels instantly. Stress melts away under your touch. He associates you with peace and calm. In a chaotic world, you are his refuge. This is incredibly addictive for men.
This is where it gets interesting. Physical pleasure fades after a few minutes, but emotional safety lasts for years. You are building a foundation, not just a moment. The touch reset signals maternal care. It taps into deep, primal needs. He feels cherished, not just used. There is a huge difference. One leads to boredom. The other leads to devotion. Fourth, practice breath syncing. Match your breathing to his rhythm. Inhale when he inhales. Exhale when he exhales. Do this for 10 seconds silently. It creates a biological bond. Your nervous systems start to align. Science calls this interpersonal synchrony. It makes you feel like one unit. He won't know why, but he'll feel it. But wait, there is a catch. You must be genuine. If you fake the breathing, it feels weird. Relax your own body first. Let your breath slow down naturally. Then invite him into your rhythm. It's a dance, not a command. This shared rhythm builds trust. Trust is the glue of long-term love. Without it, intimacy is just physical. Fifth, the gratitude anchor. Right before you kiss or touch deeply, smile genuinely at him. A smile that reaches your eyes. It shows you are happy to be there. Many people look serious or intense, but joy is more memorable than intensity. He remembers the woman who enjoyed him, not just the woman who performed. Joy is contagious and magnetic. Think about the last time you smiled. Did it change the mood? It likely softened the tension. It made the moment lighter. Men often carry heavy expectations. Your smile lifts that weight. It tells him he is enough, just as he is. That acceptance is rare and precious. He will chase that feeling forever. Sixth, eliminate the phone shadow. Ensure no devices are nearby, not even face down on the nightstand. Put them in another room. This signals total exclusivity. In our digital age, attention is luxury. Giving him your undivided focus is powerful. It says, "You are my priority right now. Nothing else exists in this moment. Only you and him." This is crucial for modern relationships. Distraction is the enemy of intimacy. Even a buzzing phone breaks the spell. It pulls him back to reality. You want him lost in the moment. Create a bubble around you two. Inside that bubble, time stops. This isolation fosters deep bonding. He feels special and chosen. And everyone wants to feel chosen. Finally, the lingering aftercare. Don't roll away immediately after. Stay close for at least 1 minute. Keep your skin touching his. Rest your head on his chest. Listen to his heartbeat. This seals the emotional experience. It transitions from passion to connection. Passion burns out. Connection remains. This minute defines the memory. Most people skip this step. They treat intimacy like a task. Check the box and move on. But you are different. You are building a legacy of love. The lingering touch releases oxytocin. This is the cuddle hormone. It bonds you together chemically. He physically feels attached to you. It creates a craving for your presence. So, let's recap the strategy. Pause and hold eye contact. Whisper a vulnerable truth. Touch his face gently. Sync your breathing with his. Smile with genuine joy. Remove all distractions and linger in the afterglow. These steps take less than 2 minutes, but the impact lasts a lifetime. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present. Presence is the greatest gift you can give. When he feels your presence, he feels loved. And a man who feels loved will move mountains for you. He will never forget how you made him feel. Because feelings drive behavior. Not logic, not reason, just pure, raw emotion. Try this tonight. Pick just one of these steps. Maybe start with the pause power. See how his energy shifts. Notice the change in his eyes. That shift is the key. It unlocks a deeper level of intimacy. You have the power to create this. Use it wisely. Use it with love. Thank you for watching.